If you've been looking for a YouTube niche that is evergreen, insanely profitable, and doesn't require you to show your face, the horror niche is one of the strongest opportunities right now. Horror content never slows down. People watch it year-round, and the demand only gets bigger. But what's blowing up the fastest is horror animation. These creepy, story-driven animations are getting millions of views in days. Just look at channels like Horror Shorts Party. They've grown past 1 million subscribers, pulled in over 300 million views, and are earning an estimated $19,000 every single month, all from content that doesn't show their face and doesn't require traditional animation skills. Their videos consistently hit hundreds of thousands to millions of views because horror storytelling is timeless, and animation makes it even more immersive. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to recreate this exact style of horror animation using AI tools. So make sure you watch all the way to the end, because one mistake in the process can ruin the entire animation. Let's be honest, getting views on YouTube can feel really slow. You post a video, wait for the numbers to go up, and nothing. Maybe it gets less than 100 views. Frustrating, right? I've been there too. You spend hours creating, editing, and uploading, but the algorithm doesn't seem to care. But here's the thing, it's not your fault. Millions of videos are uploaded to YouTube every single day. So if you want your video to stand out, you need to help the algorithm find and promote your content. That's exactly why I use vidIQ. It's one of the best tools for boosting your views and optimizing your YouTube growth. Here's how it works. First, open vidIQ using the link in my description and sign up. It's just $1 to get started. Once you log in, you'll see your dashboard. Make sure to connect your YouTube channel so vidIQ can analyze your videos properly. Now click Optimize and you'll see all your videos. Choose any video and hit Generate Score. vidIQ will instantly rate your title and thumbnail. For example, my title scored an 88, which is solid, and my thumbnail scored a 66, decent, but needs improvement. These scores tell you exactly what to fix. When you open a video, you'll see all its details and what you can improve. Let's focus on the details section. This is where your description and tags are. For the description, click Generate and vidIQ will create an SEO-optimized version designed to boost discoverability and help YouTube push your video. For the tags, vidIQ recommends the best high-ranking keywords for your content. Select the top ones, hit Publish Changes, and your video is now fully optimized, ready for discovery and ready to go viral. Now let's get started with our horror animation. The first step in creating viral horror animations is coming up with story ideas that people actually want to watch. Stories that match the exact style and tone of the channel we're modeling. To make this part easy for you, I've already done all the heavy lifting. I put together a Google Doc packed with high-quality prompts you can use to generate original and highly engaging horror story ideas, along with prompts to create full scripts that keep viewers hooked until the very end. You'll find a link to that Google Doc in the description below, so make sure you check it out. And if you've made it this far into the video, do me a quick favor, hit the like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm push this video out to more creators who want to grow faceless channels just like you. All right, let's get back into the video. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the title prompt. After that, head over to your favorite AI text generator. Personally, I'll be using ChatGPT for this tutorial. Paste the prompt inside and make one quick edit. Simply enter the number of video titles you want the AI to generate for you. Then hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a full list of unique, highly engaging horror animation video titles perfectly tailored to this niche. If you're not satisfied with any of the options, just ask ChatGPT for more. It will instantly generate a fresh batch of titles until you find something that fits your style. Browse through them carefully and select the one that stands out the most or matches the exact theme you want to build your animation around. Now that we've locked in our video title, the next step is creating a compelling script that keeps viewers watching all the way through. To do this, head back to the Google Doc and copy the full script prompt. Then return to ChatGPT and paste it in. Make a few quick edits. First, enter the number of minutes you want your final video to be. Next, type in the video title number you selected from the title list. Once everything is set, hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a fully structured, engaging horror animation script based on your title. This script format is specifically designed to grab attention in the first few seconds, build tension, and keep viewers hooked, dramatically increasing your chances of going viral in the horror animation niche. The next step is generating our voiceover, and for this, we'll be using ElevenLabs. Start by heading over to ElevenLabs, click on Sign Up, and create an account. Once you're logged in, click on Instant Speech to open the voice creation interface. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the script we generated earlier. Return to ElevenLabs and paste your script into the text box. Then, remove any parts you don't want in the voiceover, like headings or notes, so the narration flows smoothly. Once your script is ready, click on Voices. You'll see a wide range of options. Preview several voices until you find the one that fits the dark, cinematic tone of your horror animation. After selecting your preferred voice, click Generate and ElevenLabs will process your script into a professional quality voiceover. When the process is complete, download the voiceover straight to your device. The next step is creating the exact kind of visuals that make these horror story animations go viral. To start, we need high-quality image prompts. Head back to the Google Doc and copy the image prompt. Then, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt. Hit Enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate detailed, ready-to-use image prompts. These prompts are designed to produce the same dark, cinematic, professional-quality visuals used by the channel we're modeling. With these prompts, you'll have everything you need to start creating eye-catching, viral-ready horror animation scenes. Now it's time to generate our images. And for this, we'll be using Google ImageFX. Start by heading over to ImageFX and logging into your Gmail account. Once logged in, click on Settings and set the aspect ratio to 16:9 to match standard YouTube video dimensions. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt we generated earlier. Return to ImageFX, paste the prompt, and click Generate. In just a few seconds, the AI will produce high-quality images based on your prompt, and it's exactly what we want. You'll see multiple results. Go through them carefully. Select the one that fits your scene best and download it to your device. Now repeat this process for each of your remaining image prompts until you have all the visuals you need for your horror animation. The next step is animating our images into video clips, and for this, we'll be using Kling AI. Start by heading over to Kling AI and create an account. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon and select Image to Video. This will open the animation interface. Then, upload the first image you want to animate next. We need an animation prompt. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt you used to generate the image. Return to Kling AI and paste it into the prompt box. For the settings, choose either standard or professional mode, depending on the level of detail you want, and set your desired video duration. Once everything is ready, click Generate, and the AI will start animating your image. This process may take a few moments, so be patient. Once your video is generated, preview it to see how well the animation turned out. If you're satisfied, download it directly to your device. Now repeat this process for all your remaining images, and soon you'll have a full set of animated clips. The last step is bringing everything together with editing, and for this, we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut and clicking on New Project. Then import all the animated clips we generated next. Change the aspect ratio to 16:9 to match vertical video formats that perform best on YouTube. Now stretch each clip as needed and remove any watermarks. Do this carefully for every clip to ensure your video looks professional. Once that's done, import the voiceover we generated earlier. Carefully cut out any silent gaps in the narration so the audio flows smoothly, without mistakes or awkward pauses. Next, arrange your clips to perfectly sync with the voiceover narration. For any static images that weren't animated, add subtle zoom-out effects. Select the image, add a keyframe at the beginning, move to the end of the clip, and stretch it slightly to add another keyframe. Repeat this for all remaining static images to create cinematic movement. Now let's add transitions between clips. Click on Overlay Transitions and choose from the available options. Once you select your preferred style, click Apply to All to give your video a polished, professional look. It's time to add captions. Click on Text, then select Auto Captions. Browse the available caption templates, select one, and click Generate within minutes. Your captions will be ready. Resize and position them so they're easy to read without covering important visuals. Finally, add background music, making sure to lower the volume so it doesn't overpower your voiceover. Now watch your video from start to finish to ensure the pacing, audio, and visuals all flow perfectly. Once you're satisfied, click Export, increase the resolution to 4K, and download your video straight to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result.
I remember lying on the thin mattress of that cheap hotel room, the hum of the fluorescent light above me keeping me awake. I was 10, and my mom had just left me there alone for the night. The room smelled like stale carpet and disinfectant. I pressed my face to the pillow, trying to make the emptiness feel smaller, whispering to myself that everything was fine, but it never felt fine. Not ever. That's when I heard it, a soft, dragging sound from the hallway. At first, I thought it was another guest, or maybe the wind rattling the door.
Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave any questions you have in the comment section.